Hello everyone, once again you are welcome. This is Shyam Kumar in front of you. So today I have brought for you one video once again. So I belong to a village, so any villager can speak English. Yes, definitely, why not? Today's topic about village. So in village living we do not find any speaking partner. But how did I learn this language? So earlier time I was studying in town, then I joined some institute, but there I did not develop my communication skill. I did not develop my speaking there. So I came my village, then I started practicing. Also, I started teaching some students whatever I learned. But at that time my English was so weak, so poor. I completed only 10th. Then I continued my journey of English speaking means self. I started self speaking practicing. Whatever I knew, I used to speak that things daily. So I continuously I practice like that. I have completed for learning this language at least 13 years. It's long journey. So yes, I gave lots of time to learn this language. I continued what speaking and listening practice. Also in between, I was doing sometime writing practice, sometime reading practice, but mostly I focus on what speaking and listening. Because in village living, I was not getting any English speaking partner. That's why I listening and speaking practice I continued. And this time I'm able to speak. Why? Because I listen much more. Means any good listener can become a good speaker. That's why I continued that. If I become a good listener, definitely one day I will become a good speaker. So my learning process is going on every day. I am trying to learn new things related English. So upcoming time I want to develop many what skill in myself, different types of knowledge I want to acquire, and I want to give speech, maybe any school quizzes, whatever I learned. So in future time I will go different places. I want to give lecture. I'm going to tell you that I want to become a motivational speaker. That's why I'm practicing a lot. In future, upcoming time, I will become. So if anybody wants to become a motivational speaker, there needs more practice. Because if you don't have lots of knowledge, information about anything, then how can you become a motivational? You must know some strong, every person some skill. If you go through that skill, what is you have quality, best quality. If you go through this quality, definitely any person can become motivational speaker. Motivational speaker means you have experience about life. You can solve anybody's problem, then definitely you can become motivational speaker. But yes, everything is going parallel. Means this time I'm learning also through time, through according long time years. I'm getting some experience. I am acquiring knowledge. I am learning many things. I am watching many videos. If I do not watch, if I do not learn new things, then I cannot become a motivational speaker. So if I become a motivational speaker, I mean that I will learn many things. Then anybody can become a motivational speaker. But I come in my point that in village living, I face a lot to learn this language. In this time, I'm able to speak English. That's why I want to motivate to what village people. Yes, you can speak English like I'm speaking that. I'm also in this time learner. Also, I'm trying to tell you something new things every day. This thing about myself, and every day I make one video. First time it was for me very challenging to make video. If I make it first time I was making video, it was taking a long time, retake, because few sentences after I was getting stuck, because now that time my concept was not so clear. If you practice every day, then your concept will clear and you can speak long. No matter your village, no matter you live any place like that in city, no, and also many people are good in any subject, in village, any topic about in village, many people are good. Also in town, some are weak, some are good, but mostly village people are not so confident, because the village people do not get what such type of environment, means any stage program, any kinds of that village people do not meet many people in any during day any program. So that's why lack of confidence we find in village. But city people find what lots of atmosphere, means all kinds of get what atmosphere. Also city people get good atmosphere. Everything depend on knowledge. If you have environment and knowledge, you can achieve anything in your life. So in village living, people do not get proper water proper kinds of knowledge. That's why that is the freedom. But I belong to village, so in future I want to sit in town. Means I want to settle there. I want to learn there many things. If I set in future in town, definitely I will learn. So upcoming time, I'm to travel many places. At first, I want to travel in India, good places. Means what? I only want to visit for what learning purpose. Different culture, different people. I want to learn how is their scenario. Means that how is their scene about village, how to like people, and many things I want to learn. If I visit in future, definitely it will benefit for me to learn new things. So this thing is happening with me. So tell me about yourself. How is going on your journey of life, journey of English speaking? Please continue your practice. If you do practice every day, definitely you can achieve. Every day I'm learning, I'm getting some experience. Also, you can do practice. Also, you can learn new things in your life. Not only in life what is happening, many things are happening around us. We can learn many things from our neighbor, about any environment, whatever is continuously, whatever is running on. So sometimes I get stuck what to speak, but I have thought that I will continue English speaking. So it will take time. Mistake is a part of learning. If you do not mistake, you cannot learn new things. In this time, while speaking, I'm getting stuck because my mind concern is not one place what to speak. But I am a learner, so I will do mistake, no problem. That you have to do mistake, no problem, but you have to continue your English learning journey. Okay, till now, bye. I will meet you another video. I will discuss you another thing. Till now, bye.